Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to update you the PEBT program, which state have received the federal approval to distribute summer PEBT benefit. As you already know, the PEBT stands for Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer. It is a part of the U.S. government response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Family First Coronavirus Response Act of 2020, as amended by the Continuing Appropriation Act 2021 and other extension act. The Consolidated Appropriations Act 2021 and the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021 provide the Secretary of Agriculture authorized to approve the state agent plan to administer the PEBT. Throughout this program, eligible school children receive temporary emergency nutrition benefit loading on the EBT card that are used to purchase food. Children who would have received a free or reduced price meal under the National School Lunch Act, if they went to school, were not closed, or the operating with the reduced hours or attend for at least 5 consecutive days are eligible to receive the PEBT benefit. This program, PEBT, also provide benefit to younger children in household benefiting or participating in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. It's also called SNAP program. So in this videos, I will be provide all the name of the state which provide or approved to operate. Here you can see the list of all the states have been approved to operate the PEBT program during the school year 21-22. Let me shout out to you, okay? Alabama, American Samoa, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Hawaii, Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin. Most of the states in the United States get approved to operate the PEBT program during the school year 21-22. Some of them, you may not receive the benefit yet, but in this video, I will try my best to provide some information for you about the time they distribute the money for the summer and also for the school year of 21-22 also. And here is the list of the states so far have been approved to operate the PEBT program during this summer coming up, right? So I will also shout out the name of all of those states. Colorado, Michigan, Alabama, Indiana, North Carolina, Vermont, and Wisconsin. Though 7 states so far have been approved to operate for this coming up summer. For Alabama, the Alabama Departments of Human Resources have received a federal approval to distribute the summer PEBT benefit. They estimate about 487,000 children who participate in the National School Plan Program. The benefit will be help children who enroll in the program when they receive or they in the reduced price meal program at the school eligible. So family will receive about $391 for each child if they get eligible for this program. And the benefit expect to start roll out later this summer. I also include in here the phone number if you need to contact to the PEBT customer service. Their hotline is 1-800-410-5827. Or you can go on the website of Alabama and you can live chat with the specialist on the food assistant page. The support specialists, they're available from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday. So it's coming up for this Alabama state, okay? The next state I'm going to tell you is Colorado. Right now, they encourage family to fill out a free or reduced price school meal application for the school year if you are not in that program yet, in order to estimate eligibility for possible future PEBT benefit funding. And for the fall, this is the amount the state Colorado will be distributed for the school year 21-22. In the fall semester, 2021, monthly benefits are, if your child participates remotely, they will receive $142 per month. If they are in hybrid program, they're going to get $85 per month. If they are in person, then they're not eligible to receive anything at all. And then during the outbreak, your child going to receive $57 per month. So this is the benefit, and the amount will be vary, depend on your child level learning, which the school or your child school or your child district report to the PEBT program. They base on that, and then they will be distribute the monthly, the amount to you based on your eligible. Also, I have the support center phone number here for you in case you need or you have further questions. You can call them. The phone number is 1-800-536-5298. They open from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 7:30. Also, they open on Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon. Or you can email them if you need to. Their email is cdhs-pebtcolorados@state.co.us. you can see on my left screen, their contact information there, okay? All right, the next step I'm going to tell you, would like to share the information with you is North Carolina, sorry. The North Carolina intend to issue the PEBT benefit for this summer for eligible students and children at the end of July. But by next week, they going to send out the letter informations also for the youngest children who are eligible for the food assistance benefit. They will begin to receive extra monthly benefit tied to the COVID-19 pandemic for the 21-22 school years. So this is the great information for residents at North Carolina. All right, Michigan is the next state. In here, you can see for the month, for the school year 21-22, stacked from September 21 through June 22. And this is the benefit that they're going to distribute. As you can see that this is the expected to begin issue, and they start in April, very late to the year, right? But you can see the following check on the screen about the schedule. So if your child eligible throughout the month of September to December, they going to issue the benefit to you on April. And if your child eligible from January to February, they will distribute in May, I'm sorry. And from March to April, the money will be distributed, or the benefit will be distributed in June. And for month of May to June, you're going to receive the benefit in July. For Vermont, at this moment, you're going to receive the instruction, the letter from the Vermont, and it's going out in August. For any other household, you will receive a special PEBT card from the Vermont Department for Children and Family, or they call it DCF, for students who qualify. And household will receive one-time allotment of $391 per eligible student. The summer PEBT benefit will be issued in early August 2022, along with the benefit of the rest of the school year 21-22. And if you are not really qualified for the free or reduced price meal, you still need to submit. If you think you are eligible, you might still submit the application for free or reduced meal. And then based on that, they will be checking to see if you are eligible for the summer PEBT benefit. So the best way is try it to fill out the application, okay, for free or reduced price meal, if you think you are eligible for it. Indiana, at this moment, for the summer PEBTs, we don't know the date that they're going to issue yet, but for the school year 21-22, if you eligible during the month of April and June 24, the end of this month, they're going to issue the benefit to you. Wisconsin is planned to issue the pre-6 PEBT benefit for the school year 21-22 because they just approved it. from the United States Department of Agriculture. And then they will put it in place when the system is ready, everything is in place, they will be distribute the information now. But for the estimate, it will be in mid-July. You're going to receive more update on that, okay? And I will try my best to follow up and provide more information for you if I see or if I heard anything about it. Thank you very much for listening and stay tuned until the end of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more for support. By surprise the channel whenever the information is coming out, I upload the new video, you will be notified and you can watch more on my channel. But the most important thing is support me to continue doing this journey. Thank you for listening and thank you for to be my subscriber. And look forward to see you on my next video. Bye.